Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the National Stadium. Now the government is going to be spending millions of dollars to resurface the track at the National Stadium. They're going to be spending US 350,000 or Jamaican 56 million to resurface the track. Now, as you know, Jamaica is a powerhouse in track and field. At one time, Jamaica could not lose the gold medal in the 100 meter or the 200 meter, men's or women's events at the Olympics. Names like Usain Bolt, Asafa Powell, Warren Blake, Johan Bailey, Shelley Ann Fraser Price, Elaine Thompson are famous all over the world. We have some of the best athletes in the world. And it all comes down to the National Stadium. This is the largest stadium in Jamaica for track events. And Jamaica hosts a lot of events in track and field because the world knows Jamaica as a track and field powerhouse. So the government is resurfacing the track at the National Stadium. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Preparatory work to rehabilitate the running track at the National Stadium in Kingston has started. The resurfacing project has received support from Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness and the Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Honorable Favour Williams, who has secured funding of some US $350,000. In a recent statement issued by the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Portfolio Minister Honorable Olivia Grange said that the running track will undergo a complete resurfacing in time for upcoming sporting events. She said there was a window of opportunity for the work to be done between the conclusion of the Gibson McCook Relays, February 22nd, and the start of the ISA Boys and Girls Championships in March. We're working around the clock to put everything in place, the minister said. She informed that a new supplier, Recordtan, with 50 years of international experience in track development, has been engaged to do the job. Minister Grange said that materials have already been shipped and engineers are in the island doing preparatory work. She pointed out that the new track will feature the latest performance technology and will present a bold image of Jamaica to the world, starting with champs in March, followed by the global Grand Slam track event in April. There is a lot of work to do, but we are committed to providing the best facilities for the best athletes in the world, the minister said. We will work as hard as our athletes to ensure Jamaica's success, Ms. Grange added. Since 2021, the ministry has undertaken ongoing maintenance works on the running track. However, a recent assessment of the running track has highlighted the urgent need for a complete resurfacing. The National Stadium is managed by Independence Park Limited. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.